What's something people don't know about acing their exams? It's not just about hard work, it's about smart work. Welcome to Boost Your Concepts, your ultimate educational sidekick. Whether you're a Class 6 whiz kid or gearing up for NEET and IIT JEE, we've got the tools you need. Here, we dive into high-quality educational content straight from the NCERT curriculum. Think of us as your personal study buddy, breaking down tough subjects into bite-sized, easy-to-understand lessons. And guess what? We've got daily topic-wise MCQs tailored for NEET and IIT JEE prep. Practice regularly, boost your knowledge, and stay ahead of the curve with ease. But wait, there's more. Join our exciting challenges, score high on the leaderboard, and win amazing prizes, all while mastering your concepts. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Boost Your Concepts, practice, and stay motivated as we make learning fun and rewarding. Let's ace those exams together step by step. Subscribe now to Boost Your Concepts and start your journey to success today.